Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education. Checking in on SPY on the daily weekly time frame with IWM and QQQ. So we had a double top at the all-time high by 2 pennies today on SPY. Turns out the market could care less about Kami and the testimony. So we've got our key support, and the scenario that's going to play out is we're either going to get a new all-time high tomorrow, or either tomorrow or Monday, we're going to break 242.83 support. And this is a key short-term support because that's where our new base of support has been established. If we have a double top, do not get a new all-time high and break this level, it will be the most bearish action we've seen since this Trump dump back in mid-May. So that is going to be a potential signal to either take profits or to enter some short-term bearish positions, and the bears are going to make note of that, and they're going to show up for the first time in a long time. So that's a very important support in the short term, and obviously if we get a new all-time high, the bulls show that they are still in full control and continuing to the upside. Checking SPY on the weekly time frame, not really a ton of information, just a little tiny consolidation candlestick with a small range, and technically you could say that's a bearish reversal, a little doji currently. We've certainly negated plenty of bearish reversal candlesticks in the past, but as of right now, it's all about those daily levels and whether or not we see a break of the higher low pattern. And if we do it, we're going to lose the exponential supports here as well, which would obviously be another point in favor of the bears. IWM, very strong continuation, very nice volume. So we had the break of the lower high pattern right here as soon as 138.61 broke. Lower high pattern has broken, and now we're working on higher lows and higher highs. This is exactly the follow-through the bulls wanted. Resistance is 141.46, and then the all-time high is 141.82. So we're right there. We broke out and closed above the upper Bollinger Band, and the bulls are looking to tag a new all-time high. The sooner the better. We have been struggling at the upper Bollinger Band weekly resistance. That level is 140.85. So if we don't see a green day tomorrow, we will reject from this level yet again. And we've rejected 4 times in the last 7 weeks. So that's an important support to be watching. If we close above it, we're definitely going for the all-time high next week. QQQ, also right up at the all-time high, 143.73. We did get a new all-time high by 7 cents. Not entirely convincing, but better than seeing resistance and rejecting. So support here for QQQ, very similar to SPY, 142.60. Resistance has been broken, and the bulls are looking for continuation to the upside here with further follow-through tomorrow as we continue to hold these exponential supports. So the weekly time frame, same story. Could be construed as a bearish reversal doji. Upper Bollinger Band resistance is just under 144, and we'll have to see. Really, the weekly chart is not useful to me at this point because so many bearish reversal candlesticks have been negated. It's all about the daily charts for me and whether these higher lows are maintained and whether we break them or not. And obviously we're not breaking them at this point, which is keeping the bulls in control. So I want more details on the daily rather than looking at bearish reversal candlesticks on the weekly. If we start to pull back on the daily, then I'll start to look for more details on the weekly time frame. I appreciate you watching. We'll see you over the weekend. Have a great night.